Hello folks, welcome back to the challenge. Myself, Alan David Daly. Today we're going to look at chord progressions. We're going to look at dark chord progressions. And here's my top 5. Let's get straight into it. At number 1, it's in G minor and it starts off with G minor, F major and E flat. Our next chord progression uses 2 diminished chords and it starts off with E flat minor, D diminished, F diminished and then back to the E flat minor to finish it off. Before we start, I'll ask you kindly, please subscribe to the channel to help me grow the channel or leave me a comment below, or if you want to, just give me a thumbs up for a like. Let's get on with it. Number 3 only has 2 chords in it. That's G minor and A flat, and they just repeat. At number 4, we have D diminished, F with a C bass note, B minor 7, and C sus 2. Our fifth and final dark chord progression is E sus2, C major, A minor, and it's D sharp diminished. Well, there you go, folks. That's my top 5 dark chord progressions. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment below, and give me a like. And I'll see you on the next video pretty soon. Thank you.